Want to make some serious cash in 2024? ChatGPT is your new best friend. Forget the hype. This AI powerhouse can help you rake in $120 faster than you can say passive income. Think of ChatGPT as your secret weapon in the digital world. It's like having a team of expert writers, marketers, and coders at your beck and call 24/7. But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, ChatGPT can help you unlock new income streams. In this fast-paced digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is paramount. And what better way to do that than by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence? Imagine crafting compelling marketing copy that converts like crazy, or generating blog post ideas that rank on page 1 of Google. Sounds good, right? That's the power of ChatGPT. Don't just dream about financial freedom, seize it. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are limitless. This isn't about replacing your job, it's about enhancing your skills and unlocking new income opportunities. Let's dive in and explore how you can turn this cutting-edge technology into a money-making machine. Ready to start seeing those dollar signs? The internet is your oyster, and these platforms are your pearl farms. First up, we have Fiverr. It's a freelancer's paradise, and with ChatGPT, you can offer services like writing, translation, and even coding. No prior experience needed. Next, we've got Upwork, a platform teeming with businesses looking for talented individuals like you. Use ChatGPT to craft killer proposals and land high-paying gigs. Remember, clarity and conciseness are key when it comes to writing proposals that convert. Let's not forget about Etsy, the go-to marketplace for all things creative. From crafting product descriptions that sell to generating unique designs, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in the Etsy marketplace. Remember, presentation is everything. Use ChatGPT to help you create visually appealing product listings that stand out from the crowd. Finally, we have Amazon KDP, where you can self-publish ebooks and paperbacks without the hassle of traditional publishing. ChatGPT can help you write, edit, and even market your book to a global audience. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted book description. ChatGPT can help you write a compelling blurb that hooks readers from the first sentence. Freelancing is booming, and ChatGPT is your golden ticket to the party. Think writing is just for English majors? Think again. ChatGPT can help you write anything from website copy to social media posts, even if you haven't written professionally before. Love chatting and connecting with people? Offer virtual assistant services and let ChatGPT handle scheduling, email management, and research. It's like having a personal assistant without the hefty price tag. If you're a whiz with words, dive into the world of copywriting. ChatGPT can help you craft persuasive ad copy, engaging website content, and even compelling email campaigns. Remember, the goal is to convert, so focus on crafting copy that speaks directly to your target audience. Got a knack for languages? Translation services are in high demand. Use ChatGPT to translate documents, websites, and other content, breaking down language barriers and connecting businesses with a global audience. Accuracy is paramount in translation, so always double-check ChatGPT's output to ensure it meets your client's requirements. Content is king, and ChatGPT is the kingmaker. Always wanted to be a blogger but didn't know where to start? ChatGPT can generate blog post ideas, outlines, and even write entire articles for you. It's like having a personal ghostwriter at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT can also help you create engaging video scripts for YouTube, TikTok, or even your online course. From educational content to entertaining skits, the possibilities are endless. Remember to keep your audience engaged by using a conversational tone, humor, and storytelling techniques. Don't forget the power of the spoken word. Podcasts are all the rage, and ChatGPT can help you generate podcast episode ideas, research topics, and even write your scripts. A well-structured podcast script can make all the difference in keeping your listeners engaged and coming back for more. And here's a secret weapon. Use ChatGPT to repurpose your content across different platforms. Turn that blog post into a Twitter thread, an Instagram caption, or even a LinkedIn article. The more places your content appears, the wider your audience reach. Marketing can be a minefield, but ChatGPT is your trusty metal detector. Need to craft compelling social media posts that grab attention? ChatGPT can help you write engaging captions, generate hashtags, and even schedule your posts across multiple platforms. Email marketing is far from dead. In fact, it's thriving. Use ChatGPT to write attention-grabbing subject lines, craft personalized email sequences, and even segment your audience for targeted campaigns. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is personalization. Want to rank higher in search results and drive more traffic to your website? ChatGPT can help you with SEO, generating keyword-rich content, optimizing your website copy, and even analyzing your competitors. A well-executed SEO strategy can be a game-changer for your online presence and ultimately your income. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted sales page. Whether you're selling a product or service, ChatGPT can help you write compelling copy that converts visitors into paying customers. Remember to highlight the benefits of your product or service and address any potential objections your audience might have. Let's get real for a second. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. It won't make you rich overnight, and it requires effort and strategy to see results. Think of ChatGPT as your trusty sidekick, not a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll still need to put in the work, but ChatGPT can make that work smarter, not harder. Success with ChatGPT requires a willingness to learn, adapt, and refine your approach. The more you experiment and iterate, the better you'll become at leveraging its capabilities to generate income. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts, tones, and writing styles to find what works best for you and your goals. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. While ChatGPT can help you generate content quickly, it's crucial to maintain a high standard. Always proofread, edit, and add your personal touch to ensure your work stands out from the crowd. Finally, stay curious and keep learning. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and new tools and techniques are emerging all the time. By staying ahead of the curve, you'll be well positioned to maximize your income potential with ChatGPT. Ready to turn knowledge into action? Let's break down a simple plan to earn your first $120 with ChatGPT. First, identify your strengths and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Next, choose a platform and a service to offer. Whether it's writing, social media management, or virtual assistance, pick something that aligns with your skills and interests. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to get started. ChatGPT can help you fill in the gaps and deliver high-quality work. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and experience. Use ChatGPT to craft a captivating bio, highlight your relevant skills, and even generate client testimonials. Remember, first impressions matter, so make sure your profile accurately reflects your abilities and professionalism. Now comes the fun part, finding clients. Start by browsing freelance platforms, job boards, and even social media groups related to your chosen field. Use ChatGPT to write tailored proposals that highlight your understanding of the client's needs and how you can help them achieve their goals. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's a game changer that's democratizing access to income opportunities. Don't let this moment pass you by. Embrace the power of AI and unlock your earning potential. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Get creative, experiment, and have fun with it. The more you explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, the more opportunities you'll uncover. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, start exploring, and watch as ChatGPT transforms your income potential. The world of AI is yours to conquer. Start your journey today and see where this exciting technology can take you.